Whoop, there's a new Reno in town. This is the all-new OPPO Reno 10 5G. So, niskip ni OPPO Philippines ang OPPO Reno 9 and jumping from 8 to 10. And balita ko guys, this phone has a lot of improvement coming over from the Reno 8 series. Tara, buksan muna natin. So hi guys, ako pala for the Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So itong OPPO Reno 10 5G will be released this coming August 3. So do stay tuned for my full review. By the way guys, itong video nito is more of the unboxing and my first impression about this phone. Buksan muna natin. So this is the all-new OPPO Reno 10 5G. So it's just released recently and we're going to unbox this all-new phone. So let's just simply open. So we have a small little pouch over here. Inside we have your SIM ejector tool, some documentation, and your jelly case. So here's the phone itself. So we have some quick specs over here. Let's take it out of the sleeve. Wow, the color is really nice this time around. So you can see the camera module over here and it looks a little bit different than before. So we have your power button over here and volume rocker. On top we have your noise cancelling mic, IR blaster, and your loudspeaker. On this side it's pretty clean. On the bottom we have your loudspeaker, Type-C port, microphone in, and of course your SIM tray. So we have a hybrid here. So either use 2 nano SIM or 1 nano SIM and 1 micro SD expansion. So we have a curved screen display and the front camera is a punch hole. So we have here our 67 watts of SuperBook charger and of course our Type-C cable. So guys, nakita na natin unboxing itong phone na ito, and this phone for me, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng kanyang form factor, very sleek. And I like itong color niya, itong gray, very simple, matte finish sa likod, walang fingerprints. And the best thing of all dito is kakaiba ang kanyang camera module this time around. Hindi siya double ring or double barrel na tinatawag nila. This time around, iniba nila ang design nito, making it look a little bit more premium, more distinct. Alam mo na this is a Reno series. Plus, another improvement dito sa phone na ito is dual curved screen na rin siya. So, giving you the better experience when you're using this phone, especially when you're swiping from the left to the right or right to the left, mas hindi sumasabit as compared sa mga screen na flat ang design. So, this one has a more infinity display, giving you that more bezel-less feel when you're watching videos dito sa phone na ito. Ang processor nitong phone na ito is a MediaTek Dimensity 7050, which is quite new. Malalaman natin about yung mga benchmark niya and everything else on our full review nitong phone na ito. Now, taking on some early snaps dito, I would say ang ganda ng kanyang camera, kanyang rear camera, probably is one of the best na na-try ko on a Reno series, no? Most likely, I'll be also reviewing the Reno 10 Pro and Pro Plus pretty soon. Do stay tuned for it. So right now ito si Reno 10 5G, ganda na ng kanyang camera. What more, si Pro and si Pro Plus. Well, right now, makita natin on indoor low light, ang kanyang camera shots using the front-facing camera is one of the better ones na na-capture ko on a mid-range smartphone. So I'm really excited pakita sa inyo aking full review nito phone na ito. So do stay tuned. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit the bell icon para hindi naman sa mga future uploads here for my channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.